Oh, cheerleader. Something today.
There's more.
Honey, why you not like quit the jail? You said you had no boyfriend, right?
That's how they said.
Taco stand, taco stand, taco stand, taco stand, taco stand, taco stand, taco stand.
Let us be a little bit
taco
for the old
stand.
guy. Step driving this to the top. Yeah, step driving.
Hell, motherfucking no. Quiet yourself, girl. Quiet yourself, girl.
Who does that?
Miss James.
Oh, that was
Miss James.
And then it was Royce.
Do you like quit the jail? I said, do you like quit the jail? You know, make it sparkle like diamond in the sky. Do you like quit the jail?